Hello, finally I get to kill some fear out of your asses. Long time coming. I had to see that this was gonna happen again. I have to go through it again, explaining to you again. Please stop bunkholing. Please wait a minute. Check yourself before you wreck yourself by checking this video again. Watch it 1,000 times, Hans. And then get to freaking trade live, okay? Please do not make me yell again. Make another video where MT has to tell me to soften up. Please just get this when I tell it to you. Please. Only trend trade. Only take 1 or 2 trades a day if you're freaking losing your butt off. If you're losing each freaking day and you can't help yourself, stop. Stop what you're doing right now. Delete everything in your fucking head. Sorry. Delete everything in your fudging head. All of it. Whatever you had before, delete it completely. And listen to what I'm about to tell you and what I'm about to show you, okay? Stop all of your habits, what you've done. Let's get back to basics. Let's get back to showing you the simplest, easiest, safest trades there are in this room every effing day of this month and year. Every day. Okay? I repeat, I do not want to do another video like this again. I want to do fun videos, okay? I don't want to be screaming at you because you're losing your shit. You have to discipline yourselves. Please. I showed you today, being Tuesday, the 7th of April, I showed you a live trade on EJ. I told you where to enter, what to look for. I was waiting there with you, all of you guys. I took it and some of you didn't. Now the reason why some of you didn't is because you bungholed yourself so bad that you're winning 3 trades, you're feeling better, and then guess what? You're on a losing strike. And then you F up your head. And then your fear kicks in again and your frustration and your hesitation. And when you see the right entries, when you know deep down in your instinct that that ticks all of my boxes on my analysis or on what Anisa says or on what Pipi says, on what Jazz says analysis, it ticks all the boxes. Yet I'm staring at it like a freaking ball and I'm not doing anything. I'm not touching it. Why? Why are you missing entries that are the best? Why are you hesitating on the best entries? And yet, you have zero effing hesitation when you're taking the wrong, fake entries. The wrong ones. Why? So, I'm gonna stop my rant now. And we're gonna stop staring at this. And we're gonna start digging ourselves into some work. Okay? Here we go, Hans. Here we freaking go. So, what do we do every day when we come in? What are we watching for? What are we looking for? Okay, let's figure this out, okay? Let's see. GU, trend is up. Okay, it's up. Even if here is low, again, I talked to you about these orange lines. I told you just because they're underneath the yellow, that doesn't mean that the trend is down. Look how it's spiked up here. Look how it's spiked up here. Look at the BB band here. We trade between 1 and 4 hours, okay? We have a daily app that hasn't touched the orange line. This is again telling me, this small spacing telling me again, it's gonna go up. There's another extra tip for me to tell me, it's going up. Don't take it down. It's going up. At the moment, actually, let's wait until the new hour comes in. Where's the new? There we are. Perfect. Now it's better. Okay. So Okay? Again, look, BB band flipped up, up, up. It's telling me it's going up. Again, same space between the daily candle and the orange line is telling me to go up. Now, what did I say about when I see a signal, I believe in it. I believe in this, okay? I believe that this guy is gonna go all the way to the freaking orange line, bringing this guy all the way up until here. And guess where's my entry, you lot? If this doesn't disappear, here. So I already know where I'm gonna take this guy from. I'm not gonna start going on this one up where it's floating, it's not touching. So I already know that GU in the second minute that I've entered my charts, yeah, at 9 o'clock, I already know where I'm taking GU. Why? How do I know this? Am I a freaking witch? Like in the Discovery of Witches, Jess? No, I'm not. I wish I was, because then I would have been a billionaire already by 27. Okay? I'm a trader, and I read these freaking charts that tell me where it is. It's easy. They do the job for you. We don't have to invent new stuff like MT invented this room. All we have to do is read them and believe them when they show up. So I am believing this guy, letting it come down if it doesn't disappear. If it does disappear at the orange line, that means it's going up. So I'm going to take it there. However, until we have not gotten to that bridge, we're not going to cross it. We're going to wait and see, okay? Again, GU up for me. It's up, okay? EJ, major trend down. Again, see, even if this is above the yellow line, this is still a trend down, okay? In this session that we have between 1 hour and 4 hours. It's broken the 1, the 4, it's about to break the 8 hour. It has to have a kind of a reversal or pullback all the way up until here, or here, or here, because of it breaking the BB bands, the long terms, okay? But the trend is down. I would take EJ down. Now, you see, major trend up. This doesn't scare me at all, okay? Because it's a major trend up. Now, all this is gonna do is gonna come down here and then bounce again from the orange lines. This guy's gonna come down, and that's when I'm gonna take it up. How do I know? Because look at the daily. It's bounced from the daily. It hasn't reached the BB band yet. So this is again another tip for me, telling me it's going to go up. We have more ups today in this session on UC. So I know I'm gonna take it up. Okay? How do I read this? Again, this is the analysis that you guys already know and have seen it so many times. Nothing new under the sun, okay? The same old blues, the same small pinks, that small reds that turn into super pinks, depending on where the price is going, which you already know about the candles floating, about the BB bands flipping down, what they're doing to it, okay? It is just a pullback to the orange lines, and then boom, up it's gonna go with the trend. Okay, now let's start with the fake entries, because guess what? You guys are really great at taking the fake entries and messing up. So let's take the fake entries again. Okay, let's see some fake entries on UC. Who's gonna take this one up? Who's gonna take this one up now, huh? No, you're not. You guys are not that stupid. Of course you know that the super pink is gonna come down up till here, so you're not gonna take it here. Thank God that we learned that lesson and we moved on. Because guess what? Before we learned that lesson, some of you, or some of us, already took these kind of trades up and messed up and lost. So that you guys know, now it's obvious it's not gonna go up, it's gonna go down. Cause who said that? Cause we know already, cause we've been through it, okay? But now let's see the fake entries, the ones that you're taking and yet you're not seeing that they're wrong, okay? The less obvious ones, okay? Let's see. Okay. Oh, perfect. Here we are. Now, let's see this, right? We've got UC on basically the orange line, 30 minutes, right? It's on the 15 minutes orange line, It's on the 5 minutes BB band and it straighten up, which for a lot of you shows a sign that it might go up. Now because the trend is strong up, some of you might be thinking it's gonna create a wick and go up, right? And this could be a potential entry because look, it's at the BB band. Look, it's at the 30 minutes orange line. It's a yellow showing a reversal, meaning that it can disappear at the orange line once it bounces. Oh, look, it's a green candle developing. Huh, interesting. Oh, I think this is an entry at 85. Oh, look, there's a wick here. Oh, look, there's a wick here as well. Now, this is a clear sign that it's going up with the trend. For sure, because look at all the signals that are telling us, right? Right, guys? Right? Wrong! Freaking wrong! Okay? Now that was a really easy sign of lack of patience from you guys. Lack of patience, lack of discipline, lack of everything. Okay? Wrong. Fake entry. Don't do it. Don't bungle yourself. Okay? Now, let's see another fake entries. Let's see more fake entries. Because, oh God, we love the fake. And now some of you are going to say, oh, look, but now it bounced off. Oh, really? It did, huh? Interesting. Oh, no. Didn't bounce anymore. Oh, are we the ones that are supposed to take 5 pips or 10 like this on a super ping? No, we're not. We are trend traders. We're going to let this guy finish its job and then we will take it up. And when we will take it up, we will not take 10 pips. We will take 40, 50 pips. That's what we're looking at with trend trades. Okay? Let's check another fake entry for you guys. Let's see. Anything else on UC? Come on. Oh, here we are. Look at this. This is perfect, isn't it? Some of you might say, okay, so the new hour is done, right? Even though it turned super yellow. So we moved on. Now it has no more influence on this new candle that showed up on 1 hour, right? Again, bands are flipped straight, right? So there's no flipping. Again, it touched the 15 minutes BB band. It's straight. It's touched the yellow line on the 30 minutes. There's no signals against us, right? It's on the orange line. This is a perfect time. It's exactly 10:02, 2 minutes past 10. The perfect time to be winning. Some of you might say, right? Let's see if it's the perfect time to be winning. We take it up at 55, right? Right, guys? We take it up, right? No, we don't take it freaking up there. So now they took it at 55. You're in what? 20 pips minus. How did that happen? Right? Because I'm also going to be taking it right in about 2 seconds up. But not where you took it at 55. Why? Well, let's see why. Okay, when the new candle showed up, did it freaking touch any BB bands or walls on the 1 and 4 hours or 8 hours? No, it didn't. It was on the orange line sitting, but just because it's sitting once you open the room at exactly 10 and 2 minutes past, it doesn't mean that that was a bounce. You need to let it breathe. You need to show that candle trust by allowing it to move a little to see what is it gonna do. Is it gonna go through a bit? Because hello, this guy can still influence him. Just because it's not active, that doesn't mean it's not gonna influence him a bit. And look how much of a bit it influenced it. Like 20 pips. And for some of you, I hope and I pray that your stop loss is at -10 and you would have been already taken out. Okay? Right about when I'm about to enter up. And then you would be so frustrated and upset. And you would say, oh, look, this is so annoying. Damn it, now Anisa's going up on it and winning. And I just did exactly the same thing and I didn't and I lost. No, you did not. You did not do exactly the same thing. What you did was have a lack of patience and read the damn charts correctly and wait for a freaking BB band or wall touch or break before you take it, even with the trend. Okay, now what do we have here? The 8-hour touched the orange line. Now this guy is touching the yellow line. Now the 15 minutes BB band is being broken, okay? If it's breaking the 15 minutes, it's stopping at the yellow, it's touching the yellow line. It's touching the 8 hours. It's bouncing from the daily. Now would be the best entry up on UC. Again, checklist. Check yourself before you wreck yourself, because I said so, right? 1. Am I going with the trend? Yes, I am. 2. Has the candle touched, broken BB bands or lines on 1 hour or 4 hours or 8 hours long-term chart? Yes, it has. It has touched the yellow line. It has broken the 15 minutes. It has touched the 8 hours. It has touched the daily. Okay, again on the fake entry, no, it hasn't touched the any line here, because when you took it at 55 earlier on that fake entry, it was sitting on the 15 minutes BB band, it was sitting on the 5 minutes BB band, it was sitting on the brand new candle on the orange line, which you didn't even give a chance to show you a direction, whether it was bouncing, going through the orange line or not. You always have to check at the new hour at 10 o'clock. Once a new candle prints, what is it going to do? Is it going to touch it? Is it going to go through the orange line? Especially when it has a previous yellow down or pink or red, whatever. So now, once we've broken 1, 2 short-term BB bands, but most importantly, and where we take the entry from, once it touched a wall, 1 wall, 2 walls, 3 walls, that's when we are getting ready for a freaking entry, you guys. That's when we're getting ready for an entry, okay? What did I say here again? Have any super pinks appeared against my entry? Hands about today's EJ? Have any super pinks appeared? No, nothing. It's all the same. So that's a good signal. That's a good sign. Is the price outside BB bands on 5, 15 minutes, 30 minutes? It is. It is. Great. Yes to all except for number 3, that you did not have any pinks appearing against you. Then take the damn entry. Okay? Okay. Let's go back to this guy. Let's take it as low as possible. Even though it's already broken, it can still go a few more pips down. It could still go 5, 6 pips down. Okay? Why? Because it's super close to the yellow line. We're not robots to tell exactly where is it gonna be the price. We have to wait for it. We wait. Okay? Don't just jump in like a crazy maniac. You wait for the freaking correct entry. Let it go as close as possible to the yellow line, okay? Even though you might be thinking, oh, I've lost the entry. No, you haven't. Give it a few more minutes. Patience pays in this room. Lots of millions. But it can also take your money. You decide what is it gonna be. You freaking decide. Okay, see, there you go. Now it's on the yellow line. See, patience. I told you to start looking at it once it broke the BB bands. Okay, once it touched the yellow lines. Now we can easily take it up from what price? 30. Let's see. Is it gonna go lower than this? Okay, you know what? We're gonna take it at, hi, come on. Gonna go to 30? 30. Perfect. We're gonna take it at freaking 30. UC up. Why? because broke the BB bands. There's going to be a reaction here, but mainly there's going to be a reaction because of the 1 hour. Let's focus. I'll show you more on these guys rather than these, but this is just an additional BB band broken. Okay, because of this guy on yellow, it's going to react up. Because of this guy on orange line, it's going to react up. Because of this guy on daily, it's going to react up. And then additionally, it's going to react up because of another broken BB band on 15 minutes and 5. These are my freaking entries. Not here, not here, not here. Here, outside. There we go. Oh, wow, look what happened. By the time you're waiting for the green, guess what? I already took 10 pips, okay? And if you take it at 41, if it goes back down to 30 or 27 or lower, you're already minus 10 pips. That's why you need to take it at the BB bands, outside, not in between the BB bands and the orange lines, at the BB bands or outside the BB bands, okay? How far do we let this guy go? Well, to the 5 minutes orange BB band or the 15 minutes if nothing shows against us, okay? Let's see. Oh, you're gonna say, look, it went to 28. Yeah, but look, anything else showed up against you? No, we took it here. So it's already been 10 minutes since we took it, okay? Let it go up. Ooh, look what happened. Arrow showed up with you, okay? A bounce is happening. The trend is up. No arrows to push these guys down. No arrows, okay? Already 20 pips in. It's at 50. It's at freaking 50, guys. Like, seriously. We're only 20 minutes in the trade. I told you have to wait a minimum of 30-35 minutes for a trade to give you its full money. It's full money. 10, 20, 30. We still have at least 10 more minutes to go. Okay? Let it break the BB bands of 5 minutes and go higher, and that's your exit. Let it go and break. There we are. There we are. Now we're talking. Okay? There we are. 91. Okay, we're gonna stop at 90. Fine? Is that fine by you? Look, it's going higher. Wherever it stopped here at 91 when he broke the BB bands on 5 minutes, we will stop there, even if this guy's gonna keep on going. For safety, for you to take enough pips, but also to not risk yourselves, even though it's very obvious you could still go up, but we don't know, right? Because it's close to happy hour. So we stopped, we took it at 30, and we exited at 91 or 90. That is what? How much? How many pips? That is 60 pips, okay? 60. You just took one trade. You waited for this one trade over an hour to take this trade. And also for it to win, you waited 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes. You waited 45 minutes for this trade to win. This is how you make sure you take in all the pips. Why? Because you waited a full hour to take on the best possible entry that this chart could have given you, and that was outside the BB bands here. And since you were so damn good at taking this entry so perfectly, you know there's nothing rowing against you. This is how you stop your fear. This is how you stop your hesitation, and how you stop your head from making you exit earlier here, here, or here. You let it go up. You let it go up. Break the 5 minutes BB band and then stop it, okay, if you want to. If you want to carry on, since there's nothing against you, you can carry on until you're satisfied. But I think once you've gone past 30 pips in one trade, it's enough, okay? We've gone 60 pips in this trade. 60, okay? 60. Okay, now let's check GU because GU looks like it has more movement than EJ, so let's go on GU. Let's see some fake entries on GU as well. Of course, no? So we said that we're taking GU up, right? Now let's see if you guys reading it correctly. Oh, is it going up here now? Oh, is it? Do you think it's going up? Let's see. No, it's not. Okay? It's not. It was just a bounce. Chill. And listen to the 1 and 4 and 8 and daily, but especially to the 1 and 4s. Please stop staring at every single BB band entry on 5 minutes. It's not gonna happen. You're not gonna win consistently if you focus on this guy and not this guy here, or this guy floating here. It's not gonna happen. Okay? Slap yourself, wake up, and do the right thing. Just get your discipline on. Please, get it on. Okay. Fake entry on GU. Another one. Oh, could it be this one? No, it's not. Again. Oh, what about now? Look, now we came down closer to the beer bend, right? At 46. Now we could take it up, right? Right? Remember what I said, right? And then check this candle that's floating still. But it looks perfect, right? 30 minutes, it's on it. 50 minutes is on it. It's close to the 5 minutes BB band. Yeah. Looks like it's a perfectly good one. Is it though? Is it? Took it at 46, right? Look. 12 pips later, you lost. Bam! Lost again. The charts freaking bit you up. Again. They bit you, they chewed you up, and they spit you right out. Without your money. Why? Because you're freaking hysterical and you're not patient enough. Wait for the damn entries. Wait for them. Even with the trend up. It's not like this. Ooh, every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes be bet. Let's take it up here. No, let's here. No, here. Maybe here. What about here? Maybe here. Wait, here. No, here. Maybe here. Wait. Here. Wait, here. Stop it. Just stop with this chaos. It's gonna lead you to losing while others are winning. And you're just gonna be more frustrated, more hesitant, more fearful the more you let yourself slide down this slippery slope of bad mindset, bad entries, zero patience, zero discipline, okay? And over trading, over freaking trading. Every damn day. I'm an MT and I take 1-2 trades a day. Today I took 1 trade. I waited 1 hour and a half for those 25 pips. But you know what? They were worth it. I had 0 losses. I could stack that to 3 or 5 and make 100 pips. Done. Easy. Meanwhile, you in the next 30 minutes, as soon as we opened the charts, already lost. Already had a minus 20 or minus 10. How come? How come, guys? We have the same brains. The same brains. I'm not an alien or a witch. We discussed that already, Jazz. I'm not a witch, okay? So, what is it then? What makes me different than you? Discipline and freaking calm. That's what makes me different than you guys. So, back on the fake entry. This was not the entry. It wasn't. Because look, it didn't touch the orange line, okay? It was not the entry. Look at this guy. Do you believe this guy when it shows up and it's telling you it's floating with a signal down and it wants to come to the orange line, even if the trend is up? Yes, believe it, okay? It's gonna go down. It's gonna go down further, okay? And you let it go down. You let it go down. Look how far is going down. Look at it. Look what's happening. See what's happening? Your 43 entry is now at 28 or minus 20 already. And I'm gonna take it up. I will. But not yet. Why? Because this guy is here inactive. Look. This guy is pushing this candle to come down. Look, the beer band showed up. When the beer band flips up, that means it's looking to meet the price of the candle here. So what I'm expecting is not this entry again. This is not gonna be the entry. It's gonna be at the beer bands lower. How do I know it's gonna be on the 15 minutes beer bands? Because that's kind of the difference between the candle on the 1 hour and the beer band and the 4 hour and the orange line. That's kind of the difference, okay? Give or take. You have a 4 hour down and a candle floating. Even though it touched. Now, the only bounce on the touching on the orange line is this one, yeah? Which you're not going to be jumping on for 5 or 6 pips because it's stupid risk. Stupid. While you could be waiting for a really amazing trade 20 down, 20 pips lower below, and then going and taking it up for 90 pips and having no stress. Because now, you know, the trend is restarting again. That's what we're waiting for the trend to restart again. And every time you catch it from the first wave, it's going to be tremendous, amazing move up rather than your 10, 5 pips. By the way, on which you're pooing yourself because you don't know what it's going to do. Meanwhile, I know once this guy gets here and once this guy gets here, what is it going to do? Okay? That's the difference. That is the difference. Okay? We let it come down. Look what's happening. Look what is happening. See that? See this flip up? See this? See this flip up. Now this is super close. Again, super close to the orange line, super close to the price on GU to take it up. This is exactly what happened on EJ today, although the EJ broke through a little bit more. This guy is probably because of the flip up, it's gonna just get to it. This is what Jazz was talking about, the candle meeting the flip up on the price. This is exactly what Jazz was just talking to Hans about, when we should take the flip ups into account. This is when we should take them into account. Now, okay? Now, but you need the right setup with it. Trend meaning up. You need a logical setup with that flip up, okay? Now, do we take it at this yellow? No, not yet. Look, it still has a little bit more to go, okay? So I'm reckoning it's gonna go a bit lower. Let's see. But it's probably gonna be around here, around this price, okay? As close as it gets to it, that's where we take it. That's where we take it. Okay. Okay, now this got straightened up. Now this guy looks like it's touched virtually this guy. Okay. See, it's going a bit lower. Now that's fine. It went a bit up. That's fine. You always have the second entry. What did Jazz say? You always have the second entry to take it. And rightfully you do. You do get it. Okay, now this guy got straightened up. Perfect. Perfect, because we could take it at 0.3. Now it's the time to enter. Look, what do we have here? This guy got straightened up. Now we have a 1 hour up. This guy touched virtually the orange line, even though we don't see it, and it looks like it's still a break. It's not. Why? Because we have the confirmation from the 1 hour that's going up. We have the confirmation from this guy that came closer to the beer band. We have the confirmation of the 15 minutes who got to the same price on the beer bands. We have the confirmation of the 30 minutes who got to the price of the BB bands. Okay? 0.3 was the entry. And now it's already at 12. There you go. There you go, guys. How long do we wait? Again, between 35 minutes and 45 minutes. Okay? Look how many chances it gave you. Look how many chances it gave you to enter on it. Hans, to believe it. Again, checklist. Do I have any super pinks against me? No, the small red is not against you any longer because it already did its job. It touched the orange line. You have the daily with you. You have another 1 hour up with you. You have all the help of the BB bands. It touched the BB band. It touched the orange line. Again, checklist time. Am I going with the trend? Yes, I am. Has the candle touched or broken BB bands or orange lines on 1, 4, 8 hours long-term charts? Yes, it has. Yes, it has. Perfect. Do I have any super pinks against my entry up? No, 0, 0, 0, 0. Is the price outside BB bands on 5, 15, 30 minutes? It's exactly on the BB bands. Perfect. Entry at 0.3 or 0.5 or 0.0, wherever you want within 5 pips difference from the BB band. Yes? Perfect. Yes to all except for number 3. Then take the damn entry. Hands. Again, hands. Take the damn entry. Okay? And now what do we do? Just like we waited for an hour or more, it's 11:11 now, okay? We waited for 2 hours for another trade like this to happen. And we let it go up until where? Up until at least the 5 minutes BB band. Let it break. Then if we have any signals against us, we get out. If we don't, we can allow it for longer. But let it go for at least 35 minutes. At least, okay? Please, let it go. Just like in Frozen. Trying to be soft now. At the end. There we are. It broke. Perfect. What was the price when it broke? 50 to 60. There we are. That's it. Done and dusted. It broke the 5 minutes BB band. We exit. Okay? For safety reason, it may as well go up higher and break this guy because it's with the trend. It has the 1 hour. Now you have the 50 minutes and the 30 minutes. But by the time they show up, you're already in it. Your entry was there because of all these BB bands, because of these guys telling you so. So you don't need to wait for the picks. It's too late. Look at how safely you've taken this trade from the bottom. You've gotten on the trend wave from the bottom, from the start. And now you're in it for 56 pips. You've got 56 pips plus the other 63. You already have 120 pips. Just like that. In how many trades again? Hans, how many trades did I take today? 2. 2, my friends. 2, not 4, not 7, not 12, not 20, not 19. Okay? Not 99. Not 69 either, Monday. Chill. Okay? That's how it's done every single damn day. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Please, please do not make me to do another video where I'm gonna yell the hell out of it. Please get this right once and for all. I hope it was obvious. I hope you get these freaking checklist in your face, Hans, every day. You put it here on your TV or laptop or whatever you have. Stick it in there. Stick it on your brain, wherever you want to do it. Just stick it somewhere. And make sure you check yourself, okay? And this is how you avoid hesitation. This is how you avoid fearful entries, fearful trades, fake trades, all of it. You avoid all of it by doing this. Done. I am out. Out of it.